I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the milk is cold and the container is clean. Open Akshayakalpa organic milk and check the cap seal. This confirms freshness. If you plan to drink it chilled, pour into a pre-chilled glass slowly to preserve cream layer and aroma. If cooking, measure required volume first and pour into a stainless steel saucepan. This prevents metallic taste. Once done with pouring, set the bottle aside on a clean surface to avoid spills and cross-contamination. You now cook with the milk, heating gently to retain the organic flavor and nutrients. Place the saucepan on medium flame and stir frequently to prevent skin formation and localized overheating. For sauces or custards, heat to around 70 to 80 degrees Celsius for proper thickening. Use a thermometer when precision matters. If making tea or coffee, bring to just before boil and then remove to maintain creaminess. Make sure to reduce heat before adding acidic ingredients to avoid curdling. You finish by cooling and storing correctly to keep quality. After use, cool any leftover milk quickly, transfer to its original bottle or a clean airtight container, and refrigerate between 2 to 4 degrees Celsius. This slows bacterial growth. Use within 3 to 5 days to enjoy optimal taste. If you notice a sour smell or off texture, discard immediately. If a thin skin forms, simply warm gently and whisk or strain. It's normal and not harmful when milk is otherwise fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.